Did you know that about 70 million people in the US suffer from digestive issues? That's a staggering number. But what if I told you that improving your gut health could be as simple as what you eat for breakfast? Let's dive into that. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're talking about something super important, gut health. It's the foundation of our overall well-being, and guess what? Breakfast can play a huge role in keeping our guts happy. So if you want to kickstart your day with some delicious and gut-friendly options, stick around. Now let's be real for a second. We often grab quick breakfast options like sugary cereals, greasy bacon, or even pastries on the go. But these can actually wreak havoc on our gut health, leading to bloating, discomfort, and a whole lot of other issues. The challenge is finding tasty, gut-friendly alternatives that won't leave us feeling deprived. So how can we make breakfast work for our gut instead of against it? Well, I've got 3 awesome recipes that are not only easy to whip up, but are packed with gut-loving ingredients. All right, let's jump right into the first recipe, a gut-friendly smoothie bowl. For this, you'll need some ripe bananas, a handful of spinach, a cup of almond milk, and a spoonful of Greek yogurt. Bananas are great for your gut because they're high in fiber and potassium, which helps keep things moving smoothly. Spinach adds a boost of vitamins, and Greek yogurt is loaded with probiotics, those good bacteria that keep your gut flora happy. Blend it all together, pour it into a bowl, and top with your favorite fruits and nuts for extra crunch. Next up, let's talk about oatmeal. But not just any oatmeal, this is a superfood oatmeal. Start with rolled oats and cook them in water or almond milk. Add in some chia seeds, which are fantastic for digestion, and top it off with fresh berries and a drizzle of honey. Berries are high in antioxidants and fiber, which can help reduce inflammation in your gut. While chia seeds are a powerhouse of omega-3 fatty acids, this bowl will not only fill you up, but also keep your gut health in check. Now for our third recipe, we're going to make avocado toast, but with a twist. Grab some whole grain bread, mash up an avocado, and mix in some lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Top it with a poached egg for added protein, and sprinkle some pumpkin seeds on top. Avocados are rich in healthy fats and fiber, which are key for a healthy gut. Plus, the seeds add a nice crunch and are packed with nutrients. If I had to pick the star of the show, it would definitely be the gut-friendly smoothie bowl. It's not only visually appealing, but also incredibly refreshing and easy to customize. You can throw in any fruits you have on hand, and it takes just 5 minutes to make. Trust me, once you start your day with this recipe, you'll feel that instant boost of energy and gut goodness. So to recap, we've got 3 amazing breakfast options to help improve your gut health: the delicious gut-friendly smoothie bowl, superfood oatmeal, and the tasty avocado toast. Each one is not just easy to prepare, but also packed with nutrients that your gut will love. Remember, starting your day with gut-friendly meals can make a big difference in how you feel overall. Now I want to hear from you. What are your favorite gut-healthy breakfasts? Drop them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video and want more health and wellness tips, don't forget to check out my other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.